Arculix Online Training. What is Arculix and how does it enhance access management? Arculix is a modern identity and access management (IAM) solution that focuses on providing secure access controls for enterprise systems and applications. It is designed to protect organizations from cyber threats while ensuring seamless access for authorized users. Here's how Arculix enhances access management. Adaptive authentication. Arculix uses risk-based, adaptive authentication methods to ensure that only legitimate users can access sensitive systems. It dynamically adjusts the level of authentication required based on the context of the login attempt, such as the user's location, device, and behavior. Zero Trust Architecture. Built on a Zero Trust model, Arculix assumes that no user or device should be trusted by default, regardless of whether they are inside or outside the network perimeter. Access is granted based on continuous verification, not just initial login credentials. Multi-factor authentication. MFA. Arculix strengthens security by integrating multiple layers of authentication, such as biometrics, one-time passwords, OTP, and hardware tokens. MFA reduces the risk of unauthorized access caused by compromised credentials. Granular access controls. Arculix allows organizations to define fine-grained access policies based on user roles, responsibilities, and risk levels. This ensures that employees, contractors, and partners have access only to the resources they need. Real-time monitoring and analytics. With real-time access monitoring and analytics, Arculix can detect abnormal behavior patterns that may indicate a potential security breach. It provides valuable insights into user activity and access patterns to support incident detection and compliance efforts. Seamless integration. Arculix integrates with existing enterprise systems, including cloud platforms, applications, and services. This ensures a smooth implementation without disrupting business processes while maintaining a high level of security. How does Arculix use AI and machine learning for identity risk scoring? Arculix leverages AI and machine learning to enhance identity risk scoring by analyzing various behavioral patterns and data points to assess the likelihood of identity-related risks. The core aspects of this system include behavioral analysis. AI models monitor and analyze user behaviors across different interactions and transactions, identifying anomalies that could suggest fraudulent or risky behavior. These behaviors could include login patterns, transaction amounts, device usage, location, and other contextual data. Dynamic risk scoring. Machine learning algorithms are used to continuously assess and assign dynamic risk scores to users based on their actions. These algorithms adapt to new data and emerging threats, ensuring that the risk scoring evolves over time. Predictive modeling. Arculix uses predictive models to anticipate potential security breaches or fraud attempts. By applying machine learning algorithms to historical data, the system can predict high-risk scenarios and flag them before they escalate. Adaptive trust levels. AI-powered systems adjust the level of trust assigned to users based on their risk scores. For example, users exhibiting low-risk behaviors are given more access or fewer security checks, while high-risk behaviors trigger additional authentication or intervention. Anomaly detection. Using AI, Arculix can detect outliers in the data that deviate from the norm, such as unusual logins from different geographical regions, changes in device usage patterns, or altered transaction behaviors, all of which are flagged for further review. What is the role of Arculix in zero trust security models? Arculix is a security solution that plays a key role in zero trust security models by enabling strong authentication and access control mechanisms. In a zero trust model, the core principle is to never trust any device or user by default, regardless of whether they are inside or outside the network perimeter. Every request is treated as if it originates from an untested network. Arculix supports this by providing advanced identity and access management features such as continuous authentication. Arculix can verify the identity of users and devices continuously, ensuring that access is only granted to legitimate entities at all times. Risk-based authentication. It evaluates contextual factors, example location, behavior, and device health, to determine the level of trustworthiness before granting access to resources. Granular access control. Arculix allows organizations to enforce policies based on a combination of user identity, device security posture, and real-time risk assessment. Adaptive authentication. It can adjust authentication methods depending on the sensitivity of the resource or data being accessed, ensuring a higher level of protection for critical assets. Behavioral analytics. Arculix integrates behavioral analytics to detect anomalies and unusual access patterns, adding an additional layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. How does Arculix improve digital user journeys through orchestration? Arculix improves digital user journeys through orchestration by integrating multiple systems, tools, and touchpoints into a seamless, personalized experience. Here's how it enhances the user journey. Centralized orchestration. Arculix acts as a central hub, managing and coordinating various user interactions across digital channels. This ensures consistency in the user experience, regardless of whether the user is engaging via web, mobile, or other platforms. Personalization. By leveraging data from various sources, Arculix can deliver highly personalized content and recommendations in real time. This tailored approach enhances user engagement by making interactions more relevant and timely. Real-time decision-making. With its real-time data processing and analytics capabilities, Arculix can dynamically adjust workflows based on user behavior, preferences, or external factors, providing users with the most relevant actions or offers at each stage of their journey. Multi-channel integration. Arculix enables smooth transitions between different touchpoints, such as customer service, e-commerce, and marketing platforms. This reduces friction and creates a unified experience, allowing users to easily switch between channels without losing context. Automated workflow management. Through orchestration, Arculix automates repetitive tasks and processes such as sending notifications or triggering follow-ups. This reduces the manual effort required from users or employees, speeding up response times and improving the efficiency of the journey. Enhanced user tracking. With continuous monitoring of user activities across different digital touchpoints, Arculix provides insights into behavior patterns, helping businesses optimize future interactions and predict the needs or preferences of users. What is the role of Arculix in zero trust security models? Arculix is a security solution that plays a key role in zero trust security models by enabling strong authentication and access control mechanisms. In a zero trust model, the core principle is to never trust any device or user by default, regardless of whether they are inside or outside the network perimeter. Every request is treated as if it originates from an untested network. Arculix supports this by providing advanced identity and access management features such as continuous authentication. Arculix can verify the identity of users and devices continuously, ensuring that access is only granted to legitimate entities at all times. Risk-based authentication. It evaluates contextual factors, example location, behavior, and device health, to determine the level of trustworthiness before granting access to resources. Granular access control. Arculix allows organizations to enforce policies based on a combination of user identity, device security posture, and real-time risk assessment. Adaptive authentication. It can adjust authentication methods depending on the sensitivity of the resource or data being accessed, ensuring a higher level of protection for critical assets. Behavioral analytics. Arculix integrates behavioral analytics to detect anomalies and unusual access patterns, adding an additional layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. How does Arculix seamlessly integrate with Microsoft Entra ID and Citrix? Arculix, a zero-trust security solution, integrates seamlessly with both Microsoft Entra ID and Citrix to enhance user authentication and access management. Here's how it works with each. Integration with Microsoft Entra ID. Arculix leverages Microsoft Entra ID, formerly known as Azure Active Directory, for user identity and access management. By integrating with Entra ID, Arculix can authenticate users. Users can be authenticated using the existing Microsoft Entra ID credentials, providing a unified identity management system. Enforce zero trust policies. Arculix applies its zero trust security model, ensuring that users and devices are continuously validated for access to sensitive data and systems based on real-time risk assessment. Conditional access. Arculix can use Entra ID's conditional access policies to define access rules based on user, device, location, and other contextual factors. Synchronized directory services. Integration ensures that user roles, groups, and attributes from Entra ID are reflected in Arculix's access control policies, ensuring consistent enforcement across platforms. Integration with Citrix. Arculix integrates with Citrix environments to secure application access and enhance security controls for virtualized desktops and applications. Authentication for Citrix apps. Arculix ensures secure authentication to Citrix virtual desktops and applications by leveraging its zero-trust policies. This includes multi-factor authentication, MFA, and risk-based authentication, which can be configured based on Citrix's user sessions. Access control. Arculix enhances Citrix's native security by applying its granular, real-time access control mechanisms, which are essential for protecting applications and data in a virtualized environment. Seamless Single Sign-On SSO Arculix supports SSO with Citrix, allowing users to access virtual apps and desktops without multiple logins, enhancing the user experience while maintaining security. Contextual Risk Assessment Arculix continuously monitors user behavior and device security status, ensuring that access to Citrix resources is based on real-time risk assessments. Benefits of integration. Unified security policy. By integrating with both Microsoft Entra ID and Citrix, Arculix ensures that security policies are consistently applied across both cloud-based and virtualized environments. Enhanced user experience. The combination of SSO and contextual authentication ensures users have seamless access while maintaining high levels of security. Adaptive security. Continuous evaluation of risk factors ensures that only authorized users and devices access critical Citrix resources while responding to changing conditions, such as device compromise or unusual login attempts. What are the advantages of continuous authentication in Arculix? Continuous authentication in Arculix, a security platform designed to protect against unauthorized access, offers several key advantages. Enhanced security. Unlike traditional authentication methods, example username and password, which are static, continuous authentication ensures that users are continuously verified throughout their session. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access due to stolen credentials or session hijacking. Real-time threat detection. Continuous authentication can analyze user behaviors in real time, identifying unusual patterns such as abnormal typing speed, location shifts, or changes in device usage. This proactive approach helps detect and prevent potential security breaches before they escalate. Reduced user friction. Traditional multi-factor authentication (MFA) methods can interrupt the user experience. Continuous authentication operates in the background, offering seamless protection without requiring frequent reauthentication, leading to less disruption for the user. Adaptive risk management. Arculix's continuous authentication adjusts security protocols based on the level of risk detected in real time. If risky behavior is identified, it can prompt additional verification steps or even lock out the user, enhancing the system's ability to respond to threats dynamically. Fraud prevention. By continuously monitoring authentication factors like biometrics, behavioral analytics, and device fingerprints, the system can prevent fraudsters from bypassing security measures using stolen credentials or other deceptive tactics. Lowered administrative burden. Since continuous authentication helps reduce the need for manual intervention or frequent reauthentication requests, it lowers the burden on administrators, making security management more efficient. Compliance support. Continuous authentication helps organizations meet stringent security and compliance standards, such as GDPR or HIPAA, which require ongoing user verification and monitoring. By ensuring users are continuously authenticated during their sessions. Why choose ProExcellency for Arculix online training? ProExcellency for Arculix online training offers several key advantages that make it an excellent choice for learning the Arculix platform. Expert trainers. ProExcellency provides training conducted by experienced instructors with deep expertise in Arculix, ensuring you receive high quality and practical learning. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all essential aspects of Arculix, from basics to advanced topics, enabling you to gain in-depth knowledge and skills to effectively use the platform. Hands-on learning. The course emphasizes practical, hands-on training, helping you to work with real-life scenarios, ensuring that you can apply what you've learned in a practical environment. Flexible learning. As an online training provider, ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of learning pace, allowing you to learn at your own convenience while maintaining a structured approach to the course content. Personalized support. Students receive personalized attention and support throughout the training, which helps in resolving doubts and providing additional guidance on specific topics. Certification. Upon completion, ProExcellency provides certification, which can boost your professional profile and demonstrate your proficiency in Arculix. Up-to-date content. ProExcellency ensures that training materials are regularly updated to reflect the latest advancements and best practices in Arculix, keeping learners ahead of the curve. Cost-effective. ProExcellency offers competitive pricing, making their training affordable without compromising the quality of instruction or materials. Thank you.